everyone, I am Raymond Sikat.
And I'm Renz Mark De La Cruz, and welcome to our video on soldering process.
Today we will be demonstrating or introducing the basic parts and the soldering process.
So we have here our soldering iron, our soldering stand, and we have here a sponge, and we have our soldering lead, and the DIY holder. And also we have here our soldering paste. And lastly, we have here our solid wires.
So let's start! Hi guys, today we will be demonstrating on how the soldering process. We have here the soldering iron and the soldering process. First step is the lead. Lead ba to? Yeah, the lead. No, hindi siya nagtitigas. Ang gagawin natin para is we will be using another kind of soldering wire or lead. Look! 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 Nan! Wait lang, atras kayo mo ma.
Bid, pabon na ano.
Ayan.
Para naka-uniform na yun.
Kala ko yari
Guess mo ba yung naiisip ko?
At tsura na lang ba na?
Churit ang ngayi. Na may rema, sumakaya mo na ganyan.
Adikon eh.
Adikit na mo na yan, naliya kasi yung santing na ngayi. Nasampo lang sir.
Bakit? Sa kabaramisa yan? Ito ko sariling standard.
Nabikbak na na.
Eh?
Wow!
Reset.
Ay, mag-plastic itong ngayi ka naman ang buwan. Wow. Sige, pwede mo ba? Malaki na yung gano'n. Ayaw mo mag-check na kaya kailangan pag-guess malaking gamitin nyo. Bagyan na ito. Video yan muna kapag puputulan nyo. Kaya ba yung video?
Okay na.
Nagkakaya mo